Key Studio Ambient Light Sensor can sense ambient brightness with better precision than a photoresistor without adding complexity to a project. It works very well reacting to very small changes in a large range of brightness. Because it is meant to mimic the human eye, it does not react well to IR or UV light. Now let's do a simple module test. First, let's do the wire connection according to the connection diagram. Connect negative to ground, positive to 5 volts, S to A0. After wire connection is done, let's upload the test program to the board. First, connect your Uno to computer with a USB cable. Firstly, take a look at the sample code. You can see no libraries needed. Now open Arduino IDE, select the board and COM port. Then directly copy the program from the supporting file. The pin definition in the program is according to the circuit connection. Paste the program here. Click Verify to check compiling mistakes. If codes are correct, click Upload to upload the program to the board. After uploading is done, open Serial Monitor. You can see the current value for ambient brightness. Now we cover the sensor area with our finger. You can see the value decreases because it's darker. Remove your finger, the value increases. For more obvious observation, we use a flashlight to illuminate the sensor. You can see the value increases drastically. The value decreases when we remove the light. Test is now complete. Thank you.